Welcome on board, DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do well by giving me a like, share, comment as you join. Please, that means a whole lot to me on this platform. God bless you for doing that. The title for this one is He Stands in My Tomorrow, and most of these worship songs I've been playing, they are contained in this very title because I use this title as title for the album that contain all of them, right? Please kindly be on the lookout for it. And DJ Jerryman is the artist. Any of the streaming platform of your choice, being Amazon, Spotify, Apple Music, any platform, Boomplay, any one of them that is your favorite, please kindly do so. DJ Jerryman is the artist. Be on the lookout for it, and I believe it will bless you. Remain connected. Let's check it out as we listen. Please don't forget to give me a like, share, comment as you join, because that means a whole lot to me as you, as a means of you supporting the platform, and which is mean a lot to me on this platform. Please kindly do so. God bless you as you do that.
Time in your hands, I lift my tomorrow to you. Every shadow, every fear, I place before your throne. I believe the God who makes all things new. Before my tomorrow even begins, you are already there, moving in my favor. Before questions rise, you have released answers from heaven. What men see as delay, you call divine timing. What looks close is only a doorway. You are preparing. My future is not uncertain. It is divinely orchestrated by the God of all creation. Jehovah Jireh, my provider forever, my healer complete. Jehovah Jireh, my ruler over all my days. Oh God, my shield and deliverer, because you are faithful. My tomorrow is brighter, stronger and victorious. For my sake, you will overturn every plan of the enemy will fail. You shift verdicts, reverse curses, and rewrite destinies. What was blocked will open, what was lost will return sevenfold. Every setback is now my setup. Every trial is turning into triumph. Jehovah is faithful, he will not delay. You lift me when I am low, you find me when no one sees. You restore what was broken and turn every sorrow into song. If you did it once, you will do it again and again and again. Not because I demand it, but because your name is faithful and true. Jehovah Jireh, my endless supply. Jehovah Rapha, my perfect healer. Jehovah Shalom, my unshakable peace. Adonai, my everlasting refuge. I walk forward unafraid, for my God already stands in my tomorrow. Angels prepare my path. Every step is ordered by heaven. Mercy clears the way before me. Favor calls my name in rooms I have not entered. Doors of blessing open wide. Chains of limitation break in Jesus' name. The days ahead answer only to God, and my life will reflect His glory forever. My tomorrow will surely be better than today. Jehovah will overturn every obstacle. Jehovah will lift me higher than I can imagine. Every long-awaited promise shall manifest. My testimony is already unfolding. I declare it, victory is mine, blessing is mine, favor is mine, because my God is faithful and He stands in my tomorrow. Adonai, lead me, guide me, hold me, complete your work fully in my life. Let my tomorrow rise as living proof that you are God, that you are faithful, and that no power of darkness can stop your plan for me.
My soul say yes, my soul say yes. My soul say yes.
Lord, I come before you in my frailty. I come with my fears, my failures, my limitations. Yet you say, my child, your weakness is my opportunity. Your struggle is my stage. Your inability is my invitation to move mightily. I lift my heart, I lift my turn my weakness into triumph. When I am too weak to stand, you are strong to lift me. When I cannot see the way, you light the path before me. Every failure becomes your platform, every limitation becomes your stage. My weakness is not defeat, it is your opportunity, Lord, to move in power. My weakness, Lord, is your opportunity. My lack, Lord, is your playground. Jehovah Jireh, you provide where I cannot. Jehovah Rapha, you heal where I'm broken. Adonai, you guide where I stumble. Faithful God, you are stronger than my weakness, because you are faithful. My tomorrow shall overflow with blessing. When doors are closed, your hand opens them. When mountains rise, your power moves them. What men call impossible, you make possible. When I am weak, you fight my battles. When I am silent, you speak on my behalf. Every setback is now my setup. Every trial becomes a testimony. You turn sorrow into joy, loss into abundance, my weakness into wonders. You found me in my brokenness. You lifted me when no one saw. You restored me when all seemed lost. If you did it once, you will do it again. Not because I am strong, but because you are faithful and true. Every impossibility bows to your name. My weakness, Lord, is your opportunity. My fear, Lord, is your field of triumph. Jehovah Jireh, you provide beyond measure. Jehovah Rapha, you heal completely. Adonai, you lead without fail. Faithful God, I walk unafraid, because my weakness cannot stop your glory. My tomorrow shall shine brighter than today. Angels prepare my way even in my frailty. Favor calls my name in rooms I cannot reach. Mercy clears the road before me. Your strength rises in my weakness. What the enemy meant for harm turns into honor and blessing. Every closed door becomes an open opportunity. Every limitation becomes a platform for your power. I declare my tomorrow is bright. My destiny is secure. My testimony is unfolding even now. What men call impossible, God makes possible. What seemed lost returns multiplied. What the enemy meant for harm, God turns for good. I walk in peace, knowing the Almighty fights my battles. I shall not stumble, I shall not fail. The Lord of hosts goes before me. My future is guaranteed. Lift your voice and declare with me. My weakness is your opportunity, Lord. My lack is your stage. Every closed door shall bow to God's glory. The impossible shall become possible. Rejoice, beloved, the Lord is faithful. My weakness cannot contain his power. My weakness, Lord, is your opportunity. My struggle, Lord, is your stage. Jehovah Jireh, you provide beyond measure. Jehovah Rapha, you heal fully. Adonai, you lead without fail. Faithful God, I move forward unafraid, because you turn my weakness into victory. My tomorrow shall declare your greatness. My life shall testify of your power, and my weakness shall be the stage for your glory. Every weakness in my life shall bow. Every limitation shall crumble. Every impossibility shall yield to God's power. My lack is your opportunity, O Lord. My weakness is your battlefield for miracles. I declare it boldly. Victory is mine. Favor is mine. Blessing is mine. Because my God is faithful, and he stands in my tomorrow. Lord, shine through my weakness. Work in my inability. Complete your perfect plan in me. Let my tomorrow rise as living proof that my weakness is not my end, but your stage for displaying glory.
Welcome aboard DJ Jerryman live in the studio with original song made available in all streaming platforms. Please kindly do well by check them out. I have a whole lot of them, and most of this worship that you have listened to all the way, most of them contained in an album titled He stand in my tomorrow. He stand in my tomorrow. It's a total worship package. Please kindly do so at any platform of your choice at all. DJ Jerryman is the artist. Kindly check them out, and it will amaze you what you will encounter there. At this point, we are shifting to praises now. If it is praises that you have been waiting for, here is the time. Don't go anywhere, and worship will still come up again, but it will be later. Please do well by give me a like, share, comment as you join. That means a whole lot to me. It shows you supporting the platform in kind. It might be by rules, make use of the rules. It could be by comment, it could be by share, it could be by like. All of them are so important to me. God bless you as you do that. Let shift to praises now. Like as I promised earlier, we have done a lot of worship all the way. Well, the title for this one is "Now Praise Remain." Now Praise Remain.
DJ Jerryman, open the sound. DJ Jerryman, turn up loud. If battle don't finish, if testimony don't land, what don't complete? The celebration time. Now praise remain. After victory, after breakthrough, after answer, them things say battle go long, Papa Ember. When Jehovah fight your matter, you know defend them. Them write story of my delay, Papa close file. When God stamp your season, you dey smile. If them bring fear for my journey, Papa calm. When heaven answer your prayer, no allow. Funny like enemy book front seat for my crying show. Papa cancel up, Ghana dancing round so. Nothing else. After all, turn on.
If Papa don't finish the work, make your dance complete. DJ Jerryman, no cooler, because the praise, if Papa don't finish the work, make your dance complete. Because the praise remains. DJ Jerryman, no cooler. If Papa don't finish the work, make your dance complete. Yes!
Enter to Bluetooth.
Welcome on board, DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do it by giving me a like, share, comment as you join. That means a whole lot to me. God bless you as you do that. We are in the praise moment now. We're done with worship earlier. If you are just joining, please do it by giving me a like, share, comment as you join. That means a whole lot to me on this platform. And God bless you. All these songs, either being worship or praises, they are all have been made available in all streaming platforms that you can actually access. You know, DJ Jerryman is the artist that once you are on the lookout for them, just make sure you remember DJ Jerryman. And I have a whole lot of album out there, like Now My Papa Own the World. But take note of one thing. Currently, my worship, my praises, they are all in Pidgin English, except the new one that I am on it as a project that will soon be made available on the platforms. But for now, the praises are Pidgin English, and that is what I am actually playing right now, that you can see. Okay, but despite that, if for the fact that you understand English language, I assure you that if you pay attention to it, you will definitely understand 70% of the wordings of the lyrics. I'm sure I can assure you of that. Okay, please do well by give me a like, share, comment, and then check them out on various platforms, the one of your choice, any platform of your choice. You are free to go ahead. They are all there.